So the idea this week was to get local welding school teachers all in one place so we could present to them and show them our sub-arc equipment that we use that's made in Cleveland, so all of the instructors can get their hands on it, use it, and understand the process and what it's used for.
So what we're doing here is we've invited instructors from Salem, Cumberland, and Camden County to learn how to use a process called sub-arc welding. And it's a process that not a lot of schools have the ability, the capability, the money that it takes to run one of these machines. So with the help of EEW and Lincoln Electric, we've got the first unit at GCIT. We're sharing the training with their instructors, and then down the road, they'll be putting this same equipment in their shops to teach their students and their post-secondary students so that we can supply quality welders to build these towers for the wind turbines that are going to be located offshore. There's a huge plant going on in Paulsboro, and it's important that we, in education, especially vocational education, help to supply those companies with quality welders.
Well, I think it's really important for us to maintain current practices and equipment and ensure that our students have the latest technologies to learn. We're trying to prepare them to go into the workforce. And when they go into the workforce, things are going to continue to change and evolve in this ever-changing and growing economy that we're in. We want to make sure our students have the right tools, the right instruction to be able to be successful once they leave GCIT and move on with their careers.
As the welding technology has done the exact same thing as cell phones, computers, and cars. We can literally plug into this machine with our computer and track every single thing that it's going to do and record it. So as soon as large projects are involved with 3, 4, 5, 7-inch thick steels, anything gigantic, large like that, sub-arc's a very, very good choice because we can get the welding done quicker.
Lee Lorendo, CEO of EEW American Offshore Structures, had this to say. This collaboration with the NJEDA and local schools is necessary to develop the skills required for the offshore wind jobs that will soon come to New Jersey. With this training of instructors, we have now planted the seed for training programs at 4 different South Jersey educational sites that will support the hundreds of clean energy manufacturing jobs coming to New Jersey. EEW would like to thank Lincoln Electric, the NJEDA, and their educational partners for developing this exciting training program.
All 4 people involved, very, very engaged, asked a lot of great questions, and some of them, this is their first exposure to sub-arc weldings. Some of them had seen it before, but between the 4 of them, very, very successful as far as how involved they were in the questions they asked.
As a vocational school, we're responsible for preparing our students for potential jobs in our communities. And with the emerging wind technologies and the emerging Port of Paulsboro, we've entered into an agreement with the New Jersey Economic Development Authority and the Wind Institute to provide sub-arc welding training for our students, whether they be secondary or post-secondary, and also in painting, so we can prepare students for the available jobs that are coming to Gloucester County, which is at the core of the mission of a vocational school.